This is a tribute to my childhood movie that I literally rewatch every year, Jurassic Park. And my favorite character in the film, that money-hungry scientist whose actions led to a park collapse. And the first thing that I did, I searched online for that iconic shaving cream can that was used to smuggle dinosaurs' embryos and uploaded it to 3D generators. Here are the results from Hyper3D, Meshy, and Anything World. The most legible text and detailing came from one of them, so I generated the rest of the models there. Next, I moved to Unreal and started creating the landscape. Using brushes, I painted mountains and valleys, then applied a material from Megascans. After that, I created a new folder and imported the downloaded models, which I converted to FBX. I assembled the environment using the generated assets: tropical plants, rocks, and this jeep. By default, they all load with collision, which I prefer to simplify to box collision instead of polygonal. For the background, I created foliage and added the desired models. Then I painted them onto the map, adjusting density and the minimum max size. I deleted the default lighting and added an environment light mixer, loading in a skylight, atmospheric light, sky atmosphere, and fog. I dynamically adjusted the lighting using Ctrl+L. Then I opened the Anything World plugin for Unreal and loaded our character for animation. The output included basic animations for walking, running, jumping, and idle, as well as a behavior tree, allowing me to quickly replace the Unreal's default third-person character with my own. I duplicated the blueprint, renamed it BP_player, and swapped out the skeletal mesh, animations, and materials. In the game mode blueprint, I changed the default pawn class to BP_player. Next, I added Dinosaurs NPCs from the Anything World library. I loaded an F-mesh bounce volume and placed it in areas where I wanted the dinosaurs to move. From the library, I also added insects, butterflies, and birds. I placed a player start point for spawning and ran a test. Then I created an enemy blueprint. I duplicated the player blueprint, replaced the skeletal mesh with a dinosaur model, added its animations and materials, and then went to the event graph to script an attack sequence targeting the main character. I also made a collectible item blueprint. I selected blueprint class, actor, added a static mesh that shaving cream can, then a sphere collision. On component begin overlap, I added a cast to BP_player. Then went back to the player blueprint to add a new integer variable called gems. Returning to the collectible blueprint, I set up get gems, add, put one, set gems, print string, and destroy actor. In the viewport, I also added rotation and a particle system. Finally, I placed the blueprints across the level, and the game was ready. The T-Rex immediately starts chasing the player, and the collected item count is displayed in the top left corner in blue text. This was Natalia Tsigankova. See you in my next video where I'll create a horror game. Bye!